you are looking for some no hassle flowers, you need to check out these that I got off Amazon here. Now these are actually two different sets. I grabbed an all purple set that actually has 20 pieces in it. And then I grabbed a multiple set that has 20 pieces in it. This is a spot that we have a lot of dogs in our neighborhood. They walk along and can pee and kill my other flowers that we usually have planted here. So we thought this year we'd get some fake flowers because not only will I not have to water them, but they're UV protected. Let me show you here up close. Now all of these stems do have like a wire in here so you can completely fan them out and really fluff them up. Now this is a bright green, so this is perfect for spring and summer. It does look very realistic. They have just nice, really colorful flowers here on the end. And like I said, I did grab the multiple set and then I also grabbed the purple so I could really just, you know, mix everything together. But the fact that I don't have to water these, I don't have to worry about the sun being too hot on them right here. And then of course, dogs peeing on my real plants and killing those is a huge plus. So if you are checking these out, I definitely recommend.